Our first step in using Google Translate is to go to the Google Translate website, which we can find at translate.google.com. Here we have two boxes. The first box is where we want to put the language that we want translated. In this instance, I want to translate from Spanish to English, which is already selected here. Now, the third step is we need to put in the information that we want translated. I've copied it from a website and I can just paste it right here. ¿Dónde hay un buen café? That means where is there good cafe, as we see on the right. You can also talk information or you can type out information. And as you can see, you get a quick translation. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like a lot more information about how to use Google Translate, just click the link below. And have a great day.